forward, please.
The first time I had to go through it with Capote, I remember Bennett Miller, the director, and I said, "Look, we made a pact, like, let's just do everything, you know." So we like went to everything and did everything, and so we never had to do it again.
Got it.
So I've never done it again.
Right.
So I go to only when I have to. and I'm very grateful for that. I really am. It actually keeps the gratitude. You know, if you just go to what you need to go to, the gratitude stays instead of the cynical thing that will start to wear on you. And,
Gotcha.
An idea.
The man.
Did you have an idea?
Everybody on the left, please. Everybody in the middle, please. Go over here. John. Right.
How are you? Good to see you.
Getting to play Christina's husband in this role.
Well, I mean, it was wonderful. But if you see the film, then being her husband.
Liam Jennifer!
Liam Jennifer!